guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrephone. Today I will be showing you how I make bitterleaf soup. So I have washed my meat. This is my meat. I have my shaki. This is cold towel and my beef. So I have my cow skin. That's Ogbono. So I've washed everything and make it clean. So now so I will add seasoning to it. I'm using nut cube. So I'll put nut cube into it. I'll put salt. I have my paprika here. So I will put a little bit. So it is time to add my onion. So I'll cook it for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So I have my cocoyam. So I'm using 7 pieces of cocoyam. So I will cook this cocoyam first. So after cooking the cocoyam, I have my scotch bonnet. So I'm just going to blend it together. So the cocoyam is soft. So now I'm going to peel off the skin. So I don't need the skin. So we have to peel off the skin. It's very hot, so you have to be careful. So after peeling it off, so the meat is cooking very well. So now I will add my oil. The meat is soft, especially the shaki. So I'm going to add my oil to cook it. I'll add my fish, my dry fish. So this is dry catfish. So you can use any fish of your choice. But don't use a fresh fish on bitterleaf soup. It doesn't taste so good, but I've tried before and I didn't really like it. But it's up to you. It is about choice. So if you feel it's good for you, fine. So I had my fish now. This is my stock fish. So I've added my stock fish, but I cook this stock first. The stock fish first to make it soft. So you just add everything you got. Just add them together into the pot. So I will add water to it, but not too much water. Don't make it too watery. So I just add water to it. So I will add my crayfish. You can't cook bitterleaf soup without crayfish, so you need to check for crayfish. You can get it in African shop, anywhere you can get crayfish. So now I will add my spicy. That's the scotch bonnet that I grounded. So I'm gonna add them now. Now I will add my cocoyam. I blended it, as you can see. I put in a blender, I blended it. So now I'm gonna just add a little bit into it. So I'll cover it to make it dissolve. So the reason why I put this cocoyam is to make the soup thicker. So I'm gonna cover it now. We'll come back to it. So the cocoyam now has dissolved. As you can see, there is no lump. It's just dissolved. Not too thick, not too watery. That is the consistency that I wanted. Now I have washed this bitter leaf. I've washed it. It can be bitter, but I wash it, so I guess it's not bitter now. So you can wash it, but I don't like the long bitter leaf. If you have the long bitter leaf, the one ABOs they use, you can also use that. But this one is chopped already, so just wash it, catch your bitter leaf, and you're good to go. So my bitter leaf soup is ready, very easy to make, and this soup is very delicious. If you've not tried making bitter leaf soup, try this way I'm showing you. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, comment. Thank you. Bye.